Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this kind of bag. We're actually going to be making something similar to this but more bigger than this. So this, I call it the magical bag because the inside is Ankara while the outside is combination of both leather and Ankara. So this, you can put your laptop. It's actually the size of a laptop, very portable, and it has your handle where you can back it as a school bag, or you can either decide to hold it like this. So we also have this size. Actually, this is the size we might be making for the weight, but the length is going to be longer than this. This is also magical bag. The inside it's Ankara and the finishing is also very nice. It has the front pocket where you can put anything you want to put, and also it has the back pocket where you could also put whatever you want. And like the first one, you can also back it or you decide to hold it. So I've pre-cut the materials I'm going to be using to save